Unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, are incredible tools used for science and sustainability, such as crop monitoring, storm tracking, deforestation estimations, water resource management, and much more. We can harness the power of the sun and its reflectance on plants, animals, and complex landscapes that we depend upon and call our home. Drones help us sustain our resources through aerial mapping and ecological monitoring. Now we will hear how 3 UC Berkeley graduate students use drones for their research in English, Swahili, and Spanish.
Hi everyone, my name is Kelly Easterday and I'm a graduate student at UC Berkeley. I've been integrating UAVs into my research to understand patterns and drivers of land use, land cover change, because unlike any other aerial or satellite-based platforms, UAVs offer on-demand, high-resolution imagery that can answer nearly any question you might have. You can study changes in plant vigor or water stress. You can quantify the effects of a forest treatment on canopy density. You can identify certain species or even track the spread of a new forest pathogen or disease. Anything you see from the sky, you can quantify.
Mambo! Ninaitwa Christine Wilkinson na ninasoma nyendo za afisi na migorogoro katikati ya watu na wanyama wala nyama katika Kenya. Ninataka kutumia drones kufahamu na kulinganisha mandhari katika vuli, masika na kiangazi. Kufahamu mandhari ni muhimu kama tunataka kusoma nyendo za wanyama na kama tunataka kufahamu watu wanatumiaje mazingira.
Hola, soy Chippy Kislik y estoy estudiando el medio ambiente y los recursos hídricos en la Universidad de California, Berkeley. Utilizo drones para medir la temperatura del agua usando una cámara de infrarrojos en mi dron. Además, puedo usar un dron para tomar muestras del agua y analizarlas en un laboratorio después.
If you want to fly drones this summer, join us at DroneCamp from June 18th to 21st at UC San Diego by registering today. Happy flying!